Koenig Service, service for a lifetime. At Koenig, service means reliability and support throughout the entire life cycle of your bakery machinery. Through our dedicated service, we support bakeries so they can focus on what they do best: baking. Our commitment ensures seamless operations worldwide, with fast spare parts availability and expert assistance. 24/7 support and expert assistance. With our 24-hour service hotline, help is always just a call away. Our highly trained service experts are equipped to handle any issue, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your machines. Upgrades and safety enhancements with tailored solutions for long-term success. Even after decades, Koenig remains your trusted partner. We modernize equipment and ensure they remain future-proof through modifications, expansions, and safety assessments. Our risk analysis identifies critical areas that require updates, and for major modifications, we conduct CE certification evaluations and install additional safety features. Spare parts availability for a lifetime. Koenig is your long-standing partner for customized solutions, offering rapid spare parts availability, even for machines that have been in operation for 50 years. Our comprehensive in-house expertise in electrical systems, manufacturing, and service ensures top-tier quality with high in-house production capabilities. Growing with your business. From adapting building infrastructure to scaling production capacity, Koenig evolves with you. Our solutions help you expand efficiently and sustainably. Contact us for more information and discover how Koenig Service can enhance your operations.